Good morning students. Today we are going to read lesson number 8, The Wicked Grocer of Classic Tales book. So let's start now. Do you know who a grocer is? He is a person who sells vegetables round the corner of your street. He puts vegetables on one pan of his scale and weighs on the other and measures the exact amount to see. So, grocer. What is the meaning of grocer? Grocer is a person who sells vegetables and he puts vegetables on one side of his scale and weighs on the other side. There are two pans in a scale and he uses scale to measure things. A few years ago, there was a grocer called Nethram. His neighbor was a fruit seller called Raghuram. One day, Nethram borrowed Raghuram's scale and weights and said he would return them in a day. So, here is the word borrowed. Borrowed means to take and use with the intention of returning it. A few years ago, there was a grocer whose name was Nethram and his neighbor was a fruit seller whose name was Raghuram. One day, Nethram borrowed Raghuram's scale and weights, and he said that he would give him back his scale and weights after a day. 2 days passed and Nethram did not turn up. Raghuram went to his house and asked for the scale and weights. "I am sorry," said Nethram, "but the mice have eaten them up." Raghuram grew very angry and thought, how can mice eat something made of iron? Raghu decided to teach Nethram a lesson. 2 days passed, but Nethram did not come to return Raghuram's scale and weights. Then Raghuram went to his house and asked for his scale and weights. Then Nethram replied, "I am sorry, but the mice have eaten your scale and weights." And what are weights? You can look here in this picture. These are the weights which are put in one side of a scale. Then, hearing it, Raghuram became very angry and he thought, how can mice eat those things made of iron? Then, Raghu decided to teach Nethram a lesson. One day, Raghu was going to a nearby town to visit a fair when he got an idea. He went to Nethram's house and said, "I am going to a fair. Would you like to send your son with me?" Nethram agreed and Raghu took his son and went off to the fair. He returned home in the evening but did not send Nethram's son back to his house. One day, Raghu was going to a fair. Just then, he got an idea. He went to Nethram's house and asked him, "I am going to a fair. Will you send your son with me?" And Nethram was ready for it. Then Raghu took his son and went to the fair. In the evening, he came back to his home, but he did not send Nethram's son back to his house. The next morning, a very angry Nethram marched up to Raghu's house. "Where is my son?" Nethram demanded. Raghu replied, "Oh, we were returning when a stork flew away with your son." "How can a stork fly away with a boy?" asked a shocked Netram. The same way a mice can eat a scale of iron, said Raghu. The next morning, Netram was very angry and he then marched up to Raghu's house. He went straight to Raghu's house and he asked about his son. There is a word demanded. Demanded means asked. Netram asked to Raghu about his son. Then Raghu answered him that when we were returning, just then a stork flew away with your son. And what is stork? Stork is a bird with long legs, with tall legs. And you can look here in this picture. This is the picture of a stork. Then Netram was very shocked, very surprised, and he asked, how can a stork fly away with a boy? Then Raghu replied, just the same way a mice can eat a scale of iron. He replied that in the same way a mice can eat iron. Netram then realized his mistake and gave the scales and weights back to Raghu. Raghu also sent the boy back home. Just then Netram realized his mistake and he gave Raghu's scales and weights back to him. Then Raghu also sent Netram's son back to home. The moral is, do to others as others would do to you. It means you should behave with others in the same way you want from them. I hope all of you must have understood this story very well. Thank you.